Today, we're going to learn how to write and solve inequalities, and we're also going to be using a number line to help us to represent our solutions. Let's go ahead and take a look. Amadeo has $7. He needs at least $10 to go to Skateland. He needs more if he would like to buy snacks. Write an inequality that can be used to find the amount of money Amadeo needs for Skateland. Because we're using rubies, of course, we're going to read it twice. So, Amadeo has $7. He needs at least $10 to go to Skateland. He needs more if he would like to buy snacks. Write an inequality that can be used to find the amount of money Amadeo still needs for Skateland. So, again, just like we did yesterday, we know that he has $7, that he needs $10, and he's going to need to add some more money in order to be able to get to that $10. Now, of course, he could equal the amount of $10, but he would like to have more money if possible. So, we come up with the inequality that 7, the amount of money that Amadeo has, plus m, the amount of money he's adding, is greater than or equal to $10. But if we look at this, we want to also be able to figure out a solution. So the way that we work this is to look and see how can I separate or isolate m, my variable, to get it by itself. So in order to undo this positive number, this 7, I'm going to need to subtract 7. So I'm going to basically create a 0 pair. But what I do to one side of my inequality sign, I need to do to the other side. So 7 minus 7 is 0, so I'm left with m is greater than or equal to 10 minus 7 is 3. So now I have my solution that m is equal, the amount of money he needs is equal to at least $3. Now, m could be more than $3, the amount of money he gets, but it's going to be at least $3. Let's go ahead and graph this on a number line. So if I draw a number line, I can see that I have a number line that goes on in both directions, which is why I have my arrows. I also know that I'm looking at m being a number that is greater than 3 or equal to 3. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll put a 0 here too. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, now I know that m, my variable, could be equal to 3. So I'm going to have a closed circle. I'm going to have a closed circle that I'm going to use in order to represent that the amount does include the number 3. So then I'm also going to say that it could include anything greater than 3 as well. So I'm going to draw a ray, and that ray is going to go on forever. So as you can see, my ray starts at the number 3, the amount of money Amadeo would need, and it also includes the number 3. But it extends into any number that is larger than 3, which is why you can see that my ray is pointing to the left side, representing that m is greater than or equal to 3.